My name is Tasnia Ahmed. I studied at Lisbury High School. I have 3 A-levels and Welsh Bac. I'm currently taking a year out just to work and build on my CV and just to earn some money. Welsh Bac in general taught me a lot of transferable skills to use after I've left school. Research skills, numeracy skills, planning my future, bills, mortgages. It was so different. It wasn't the typical, learning down one route. And you kind of have your own freedom to pick your own topics and what you want to study. For my individual project, I looked at the health and safety of labour workers, which could definitely help me when I go onto university to study architecture. I definitely think Welsh students have an advantage being given the opportunity to study Welsh Bac. When it came to applying for university, I realised that it counted as a qualification. And if you're like me, I don't really like exams. When I get into exams, I just completely blank. So I'm kind of glad that Welsh Bac is fully based on coursework. I'm quite shy. It really gives you a chance to build up on your confidence. I had to do quite a few presentations in front of an audience. I was so glad that I had Welsh Bac there, as it helped me get my unconditional offer for the University of West England.